In this video, you'll learn how to create a voice similar to Kratos using ElevenLabs. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to generate a powerful, deep voice that embodies the character's essence. Begin by opening the ElevenLabs text-to-speech application. Once the interface loads, you will see various options for voice models. Look for the model labeled ElevenLabs V3 or Multilingual V3 and select it. This selection will set the foundation for your voice generation. Next, navigate to the voice settings. You will have options to choose from, focusing on very deep male or narrator voices. Select one that resonates with the characteristics of Kratos, ensuring it conveys a sense of strength and authority. Once you have chosen the voice, it is time to input your text. Type the exact phrase, including the specified attributes. Begin with extremely deep, gravelly, ancient warrior voice, slow, controlled, intimidating, low and resonant, followed by a pause. Then input boy, and pause again before adding, do not be sorry, be better. This structure is crucial for achieving the desired tone. After you have entered the text, locate and click the generate button. The system will process your input and generate the audio based on your specifications. Listen to the playback to evaluate if the intensity meets your expectations. If the voice does not sound intense enough, you can opt for a stronger version. Replace your previous text with very exaggerated, deep, gravelly warrior voice, harsh, stern, ancient, controlled rage. Then add control your emotions and pause again before concluding with, oh, they will control you. This adjustment will enhance the authoritative quality of the voice. To make your generated voice more effective, focus on certain traits. Aim for an extremely deep and gravelly sound, ensuring the speech is slow and deliberate. The delivery should feel emotionally restrained, exuding heavy authority. When writing your lines, utilize short sentences, strong pauses, and simple, blunt words while avoiding humor or sarcasm. Remember that Kratos embodies contained fury, not loud rage. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.